Here's Sunday 6th of July. Texan PL380. And I've got this, picked up this strange signal. Just seems to basically a loop. You get that, then you get the interfere, like the beeping back, then it's this again. For some reason I seem to increase the signal while putting me on there, but yeah. There is some kind of radio station behind it, or it seems to be blocking a radio station, but you all know what it is. Comment in the box below.